Hello Java developers. In this video, we are going to find out next program output through Java. Okay, temperature conversion. In this video, we are discussing temperature conversion using Java. Temperature conversion means Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion and Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion. Okay, now we are in VS Code and let's create a file inside this for temperature conversion. Our file name is temperature. I think temperature meaning is wrong. All right, temperature. Hmm. Okay, no problem with it. Create this file, go inside this. Okay, create public class temperature. I think meaning is wrong for temperature. uh Temperature class temperature. Now man method public static void man. Okay, after that create a scan class object for take input values as input sc equal to new scanner system dot in and then semicolon. After that, what we can do, so first we are going to find out Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, so find out. So we need to take some values. One for Celsius. So system.out.println, enter value, enter Celsius. ओके, एंटर सेल्सियस. ये होगा हमारा डबल टाइप का, डबल सेल्सियस इक्वल टू एस सी डॉट नेक्स्ट डबल सेमीकोलन सेल्सियस. Okay, now write here formula double Fahrenheit equal to sc dot, sorry, not sc dot, or we should have to write here formula. So formula is 9.0 maybe. Okay, and this will be divided by 5.0 and these all multiply by Celsius. So take all these things inside bracket and plus 32, then use semicolon. Is it working perfectly or not? Let's check. System.out.println Fahrenheit plus Fahrenheit. Now run this program. Let's take value in Celsius. 120 Celsius convert into Fahrenheit is 248. And now convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, let's try to do this. So we will take here Fahrenheit as input, enter Fahrenheit. तो यहाँ पे हम लेंगे सेल्सियस और फॉर्मूला थोड़ा हमारा डिफरेंट होता है, तो इसमें क्या करते हैं हम ब्रैकेट का यूज़ करेंगे और इसको हमें माइनस करना है फ़ारेनहाइट से. माइनस फ्रॉम फ़ारेनहाइट. यहाँ पे हमें क्या लेना है सेल्सियस और यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट क्या होगा सेल्सियस, तो यहाँ पे भी हम सेल्सियस ही लेंगे. ओके, एज ऑब्वियस. नाउ रन दिस. ओके, लेट्स टेक वैल्यू in Fahrenheit. Oh, 248 Fahrenheit in Celsius is 388.8 Celsius. I think there is an issue with our formula. Yes, our formula is wrong because we should have to take 5.5 divided by 9. So 5.0 divided by 9.0. That's the correct out formula. Okay, 248 will be in Celsius 120. And when we try to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, when we take value 120, it will convert that into Fahrenheit to 48. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video is helpful for you. We will meet in our upcoming video of Java development series.